Hey everyone, Nick, First Class Home Inspections. We're in the attic of this home and you can see this huge stain. The AC air handler furnace has been recently replaced, so at first we're thinking it was old from that, and then upon looking further, a common leak source actually is these furnace ducts that go up through the ceiling. So it's coming through, so if you look closer right there, you can see the white washy, so it's basically leaking, looks like through the furnace duct. Even right there, there's some corrosion. And it's going down onto the decking. So we're going to make sure that a roofer comes out here, evaluates the flashing around the furnace, and make sure that it gets all tightened up. For your home inspection needs, First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707 or firstclasshomeinspection.com. Thank you. We'll see you next time.